Hello, hello everyone. I am Madhu Chetan. In this video class, I am going to solve a problem on ratio analysis. This is in Unit 3, Ratio Analysis chapter. Let's read the problem. From the following balance sheet of a company limited for the year ended 31st 12 2012, calculate current ratio, liquid ratio, proprietary ratio, debt equity ratio. The liabilities are 5,000 equity shares of rupees 100 each, 5 lakh, 2,000 8% preference shares of rupees 100 each, 2 lakh, 9% debentures of rupees 4 lakh, and reserves 3 lakh. Current liabilities are 2 lakh. Then plant and machinery 5 lakh, land and building 6 lakh, stock 2 lakh 40,000, cash 55,000, debtors 2 lakh, prepaid expenses 5,000. Now let's see under which category they come under. The equity shares comes under capital and reserve. Preference shares comes under capital and reserve. 9% debentures comes under long-term debts. Reserves comes under capital and reserve. Current liabilities comes under current liabilities. In asset side, plant and machinery comes under fixed assets. Land and building comes under fixed assets. Stock, current assets. Cash, current assets. Debtors, current assets. Prepaid expenses, current assets. So in the problem, the rearrangement is done. The rearrangement of balance sheet as on 31st 12 2012 as follows. First, the current assets are given, taken. Stock 2,40,000, cash 55,000, debtors 2 lakh, prepaid expenses 5,000. Total current assets are 5 lakh. And fixed assets, land and building 6 lakh, plant and machinery 5 lakh, total fixed assets 11 lakh 10,000. The total assets 1 lakh 60,000. The total asset side is also 1 lakh 60,000. Now to current liabilities. Current liabilities directly 2 lakh is given, and in capital and reserve, equity shares, preference shares, and reserves are taken. Next, in long-term debts, 9% debentures are taken. The total 1,60,000. In liability side also, the total is 1,60,000. So if the total is not, if it doesn't match, then we have to check the rearrangement of balance sheet once again. Now let's calculate some ratios which are asked. The current ration, it's not current ration, it's current ratio. Current assets divided by current liability. So total current assets are 5 lakh and current liabilities are 2 lakh. So 5 lakh divided by, actually it is 2 lakh. 5 lakh divided by 2 lakh will be 2.5:1. The ratio is 2.5:1. Which one? The current ratio. And the liquid ratio. In liquid ratio, liquid assets divided by liquid liability should be. Now coming to proprietary ratio, shareholders fund divided by total assets. Shareholders fund are equity shareholders fund 5 lakh plus 2 lakh plus 30,000. What are those amount? equity share capital, preference share capital, and reserves 3 lakh divided by total assets. The total asset side is 1 lakh 60,000. So total will be 10 lakh divided by 16 lakh. 10 lakh total assets are 16 lakh. Uh, six total shareholders is 10 lakh divided by 16 lakh. So answer will be 1 is to 1.6. Answer will be 1 is to 1.6 ratio. The ratio is 1 is to 1.6, the proprietary ratio. Now coming to debt equity ratio, the formula to calculate debt equity ratio is long term debt divided by shareholders fund. So long term debts is 4 lakh and shareholders fund is 10 lakh. The ratio will be 0.4 is to 1. With this, I end this video class. Thank you very much.